Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. And I'm so glad to be here. It's getting very close to Christmas. But you know what? During Christmas, unfortunately, we still have to do a little bit of, I hate to say it, cleaning. Yes, that's part of life. We still have to do the mundane things. And that's why I ask you every month, do you grow? Well, I do, and I got my box today. And it looks like this. They're always so personable. They said, thankful for you, Vicki. And if you don't know, Vicki is my given name. I go by Miss Jackie Russell. But if you see Vicki pop up on something somewhere, well then you'll know why. Alright guys, this is a monthly subscription. You get to control this subscription. You can get as little as $5 worth, and you can pay shipping for $4.99. You can spend as much, I guess, to $200 and still pay shipping of $4.99, or you can become a VIP like me, and you pay $19.99 a month, and your box ships free every month for 12 months. Well, and it ships free. I guess you could say it ships for $19.99 for the year. So it's not exactly free, but you don't have a billing charge of shipping each month. Now, with the VIP, you do subscribe monthly. One other thing you want to know is that this is a subscription that will send out everything you've ever ordered if you don't go in and update your cart. They will send you emails, numerous emails, letting you know, it's almost time for your cart to ship. So you want to go in there and make sure that you have the items that you need. And I love it because I can pick out exactly what I need. I don't need laundry detergent every month. I don't need dishwashing detergent every month. I don't need lotion every month. So I can go in there and get what I need. So let's find out, get all this paper out of here, and let's find out what I got for this month. Okay, we'll just start off right off the bat. Looks like I decided to try some new fabric softener. This is Method fabric softener. I do use the Method laundry detergent. It's my favorite. I usually get lavender. And this one I decided to get beach sage. And I think that's because I have beach sage right now. And I'm going to just open this up because I am going to be using it. Oh, that smells so good. That's why I ordered beach sage. I love the beach. Might as well have that smell on my clothes. That smells really good. Let's see what else I got here. Ooh, I got some Meyers dish soap. This is an annual special, meaning that they only have the peppermint once a year, and it's always at Christmas time. And I love the peppermint scent. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a little sniff. I can still smell it even though it's sealed. This is great, and it's all natural. One thing I want to tell you too about the Method on here, it's for HE. It does 45 loads, and it's with plant-based softening agents. So it's very eco-friendly, and that's another reason I like Grove. Same way with our dish soap. Mrs. Meyers is a great cleanser, and they don't use harsh products in their soaps and whatever products that they have. Okay, I got the 7th generation disinfectant. This is in replacement of Lysol. This here kills 99% of all bacteria and viruses, and it's a no rinse formula. So you don't have to worry if it gets on your counter or lands on something, but it is a healthier alternative to Lysol. It has less pollutants in it, and it does kill the cold and flu viruses. So I got this because I know that they are eco-friendly and that they try to use the most safest ingredients for your family and pets as possible. My next item I have is I decided to try the Method dryer sheets. And of course I got it in beach sage. Oh, but they smell so good. Can't wait to try those out. I got some Hello Naturally Healthy Anti-Gingivitis Mouthwash. And this is natural mint, and my husband uses this and he likes it. It promotes healthy gums, helps prevent plaque and gingivitis. Awesome Fresh Breath, no alcohol. So, and it's animal and cruelty free. So, and it's natural and friendly. Alright guys, my next item I got was something free. One thing with Grove, when you order $29 or more, they give you a free gift if you ship that day. If you wait till your package ships, you don't get the free gift. But if you know you got your cart full of what you want and you're ready to ship, they will have a free gift for you if you say ship now. And it can vary on what the gift is. This month, for $29 or more, it was the tree-free composable kitchen wipes. So I can use these around my kitchen counter and clean up, and they're unscented and they're made out of bamboo seedlings. Again, eco-friendly. My next item in here is I decided to try a new Kleenex. This is 7th generation. It's 100% recyclable facial tissues. So I have not tried these before. Let's check them out. I usually get the bamboo seedling ones, but I thought I would try these out. And they feel nice and soft, so they're going to be just as effective. And they're nice and colorful and might go better with my decor. I got 2 boxes. I bought the Microfiber cleansing cloths. And I got them, I think this is what they call a teal color. There's 2 of them. Guys, I know this may sound a little crazy. I mean, you probably buy these for the kitchen, but I buy these because they're so soft. I like to use them for cleansing my face, so I use them as washcloths in my bathroom. And they're very effective. They're almost like the magic cloths that you get for makeup remover, but they're just these microfiber washcloths. I like them, and I've been slowly collecting them because I have found that I like cleansing my face and wiping off all my makeup and everything, you know, with these. I got some samples. They sent me some coconut oil deep conditioner for my hair, and this is a pretty good size sample. And every time I ship, they do have a section for free samples, so you can go on there and check them out and order them if you want to. I got a raspberry lemon flavor calm supplement, and you'll put this magnesium supplement in 8 ounces of water and drink it down. And then I got an Indie Lee brightening cleanser. So this will be something that will cleanse my face. It says it'll strengthen and protect, and it gently removes makeup and impurities. So something else I can try out. That's my Grove for today. And if you haven't ever thought about using Grove, well, now's a good time. I do have a link below that will give you a free kit. It's a starter kit. It's about $40 to $50 in value, and Grove will send you a little starter kit, and it'll probably include something like kitchen counter cleaners and dishwashing soap. It'll be all natural type products, and they'll have essence of essential oils is what they're based out of, like this one here. You know, they have the peppermint scent, but they're using essential oils. They're using peppermint. So you're getting a very natural way to cleanse your home, and it smells good. And they do have some vinegar products, and I don't know if you know much about vinegar, but it's a natural cleanser. It's not harsh, and it does its job. So they've got some of those type cleansers, and you may get some in that little free packet. So just click on that link and it'll take you right over to Grove, and you'll get your free package. And if you decide you don't like Grove or you don't like the products, then I guess you can just cancel your subscription. But it's worth a try. So I would definitely hop over there and do that if you have any interest in going eco-friendly, being more natural with your cleansing products. And it's not just cleansing. They have baby products, facial products, makeup products. They have, well, cleansing products. They have products for your kitchen, your bathroom, your everyday life. They've got like leather cleaner. They've got cleaners for your stove, like if you want to clean stainless steel. They've got all kinds of cleansers. They've got all kinds of, there's just so much. And if you want to see more, go back to some of my older videos and you can see the different things that I get during the different months. It's whatever I need. So, with that said, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you consider that today? And everyone that has come back, I welcome you. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. I'll be having a giveaway here soon to show my appreciation. The 350 subscriber giveaway will be coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. And of course, be on the lookout for surprise giveaways because it's Christmas time and I have some surprises in my videos. And I can tell you right now, there's 3 floating around out there right now with some nice goodies. So be sure and check those out. I'll be having an All True Train collab at the end of the month or into January. We haven't set the date yet, but there'll be 7 or 8 of us ladies be bringing you some more All True comparison with FabFitFun, maybe Bombay and Cedar. It'll be whatever we decide, but it'll be a crazy train, that is for sure. Let me know if you have a favorite product from Grove. If you have any questions, let me know. And be sure and like this video. And as usual, you all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.